Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkad and in this video we will study about the parts of plants and names of different flowers in the lesson Plants Around Us. Students, there are four main parts of plant. Can you guess what are they? Roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. You can see all of them in this picture. Students, roots grow below the ground in the soil. The stem, leaf, fruit and flower, they grow above the ground. Let us see what are their functions and how do they help the plant. Look at this picture. It is of a plant. Can you label the parts of the plant? Today we will label the parts of plant. Below the ground, as I said children, the part which grows is known as the root. Above the roots, the part which grows and gives support to the plant is known as the stem. After that, the green portion that you can see is known as the leaf. The pink or purple thing that you can see on the top is known as the flower. Now children, one by one, we will study what do these parts do in the plant and how do they help the plant or what is their use in the plant. So let us see what is the function of the root. The root absorbs water from the soil. The roots absorb water from the soil, that is the mud, and supplies it, gives it to the different parts of the plant. After that, how does the stem help the plant or what is the use of the stem in the plant? The stem that you can see in the picture, which grows above the ground, helps to support the plant. Means it helps to keep the plant upright or straight. It helps a plant to stand straight. Now, how do the leaves help the plant or what is the use of leaf in the plant? The green thing you can see in the picture, it is known as the leaf. The leaves use sunlight to make food. So now children, in the beginning of the lesson, I have told you that a plant requires a lot of things to grow, such as the sunlight, the mud, water, etc. So the leaves make use of the sunlight and make food inside the leaf, which is used by the plant to grow. What is the function of the flower? Can you see the purple thing in the picture? It is known as the flower. The flower helps a plant to give rise to new plants. It means that with the help of flower, we can give rise to new plants through the spores that are there inside the flower. Now children, we will study about the names of different flowers. I have also put in bracket the Hindi names. The first flower that we are going to study is rose. Now children, all of you know about the rose. We give each other, we greet each other in the form of bouquet. Rose is the most popular flower. We also use it to give to God and to make garlands also. The second flower that we are going to study is the sunflower. The sunflower is yellow in color. It is bright and the name is given because it is said to follow the movements of the sun. The Hindi name of rose is gulab and the Hindi name of sunflower is surajmukhi. Now children, these flowers you have seen in the garden many times. Okay. Now, the lotus flower, which is also known as kamal, the unique thing about this flower is that it grows in water. The next flower, that is the marigold, is also known as the genda fool. It is orange and sometimes yellow in color. The next flower that we are going to study is daffodil. Daffodils are generally white in color and it is also known as the nargis flower in Hindi. The next flower that we are going to study is jasmine. They are white in color and they have a beautiful smell. They are also known as chameli in Hindi. Many oils also have the extract of jasmine or chameli in it. The next flower that we are going to study is daisy. It is known as gulbahar also. Now children, the main thing about this flower is that it grows in hilly areas or hill stations. It is a wild flower. And as you can see in the middle portion, there is a yellow thing and the petals of the flower are white. The next flower is lily. It is also known as kumud in Hindi and lily is also used for making bouquets and presenting to people. It is a very decorative flower. The next flower that we are going to study is orchid. Orchid also is used for decoration and making bouquets. The Hindi name is also the same. Its color is pink and purple, and as I said, it is used mainly for making bouquets and for decoration purpose. The next flower that we are going to study is hibiscus. Its Hindi name is jasmine. Now children, it is generally of pink or red color. It is also used for making garlands for God. And as you can see, there is a yellow portion in the middle that comes out of the flower. Thank you children.